Yeah, but this is a pretty glow in the dark glue.
Yeah. Got hurting.
Yeah.
My hair going. The slime is glowing. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making pink glittery glow in the dark slime, and it's brand new. They just made it, and it's going to be jiggly slime. So we're going to add some water. It's really glittery and it's pink, so we don't have to add any food dye or glitter. And if you're new to our channel, my name is Marissa and my sister's name is Ainsley, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Hey, I put it.
No, I'm pouring it if you pour it.
Oh yeah.
That scared me. I was trying to see the color. Like I was.
You put it in half and I put it in half.
Your turn. Okay, we're.
No.
Okay, whatever. You need help. It's so glittery. Whoa, let's put it down. Not stretchy yet, but
It's
kinda, yeah. So now I get all the glitter glue poured in, and this is what it looks like. It's really pretty, glittery, and sparkly. Okay, to make jiggly water slime, you're gonna be needing to add a whole bottle of water, but we're gonna be adding a little bit at a time. I'm just gonna add that much at a time.
Oh, at home.
There's also lines in it whenever you mix it with the water. Whoa, that is so cool. Okay, now we're gonna add more. This is a lot of water.
Yeah. But at home though,
Yeah.
we LP up, huh? Oh,
There, you just flinged it all over the table. Mix it. Mix it. Whoa. This is like breaking apart whenever you mix it, and then like whenever it lets sit a little bit, it like comes together. So cool. I just flung water all over the place.
like that.
She got glue in my hand. Now time to add the rest.
Oh.
Ooh. Whoa. Calling. You're the glue monster.
Okay, time to mix. Wow.
Whoa, guys, this is like clumping up as we mix it. It's pink. I love pink. The
Yeah.
glitter is like mixing in with the water.
Hey,
Let's mix around the edges because it's all like around the edges. This is a lot of water. Can you see the glitter? That's a lot of glitter.
Yeah.
And also the good thing is you don't have to add food dye or glitter.
Yeah.
Because it already has it right in here.
Yeah.
And there's many different colors. We just decided to get pink. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now let's add some activator. Whoa, so liquidy my spoon's about to fall. Today we're going to be using borax because we found that works best in water slime. Okay, I want to add a little. Now let's mix. There, quit flinging it everywhere. Calm down.
I don't like it.
We need more.
Okay, well, I'll come out. Whoa! I go home.
I'm only going to add a little.
I don't want my hair.
The glitter. It's chunking up. Wait, isn't this chunking up a little?
Yeah.
We need more.
Oh, watery.
Okay.
What? Oh my goodness.
Look, it's turning into slime. Don't dump it on my head.
I know. I didn't see it.
Bear, it's not ready to scratch.
Hey.
You have to like pick some up from the bottom. I'm gonna add some more.
No. I told you to one. I told you to one, guys.
Yay! This is so pretty. And also, by the way, it's glow in the dark. Sticky.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's sticky.
We definitely need some more.
Oh, that dang courage one. What gets it? Wow.
Must have clumped up really good.
Oh, yeah.
Let me try your side. Your side is too. Guys, it's turning into slime. Whoa, I've never done this before. I've never made glow-in-the-dark slime. I can add some more.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh, it's a lot.
Whoa.
There, I want to feel. That
Hot,
is really cold.
hot my top.
Oh, it's cold and liquidy.
But try it to one.
Yeah, at one part, like, it's following it, and then, like, the rest is water.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen, like, the instant slime packets? It's, like, where it turns into slime immediately. It kind of looks like that. It reminds me of that. I've seen YouTube videos of it. Here. Quit touching it. We're not ready. And add some more.
Oh,
There, I'm going to add some on your side a little bit.
I
I'm
got
going to add a little on both sides. Okay. Okay, all of it's turning into slime now. This is really cool.
I just hit it.
Actually, if you look closer, you can see little clumps where it's turning into slime.
Oh my goodness. I just hope I knew what it's at.
I think it's ready for us to use our hands. Whoa, so
Oh.
sticky.
Oh. What if we don't tell how we can hear it all?
Yeah, me too.
We can tell white sauce.
Yeah, eventually we can.
Oh my goodness.
This is so sticky.
I want to hear what color it turns to.
It turns into orange, I think. I was seeing a YouTube video, and I think, yeah, it turns into orange because on a YouTube channel I saw, they made pink glow-in-the-dark glitter glue slime, and it glowed orange.
We'll get out.
Not yet. We need a.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I think it's ready for us to get it out. You need to actually dump it, like use your hands to help get it out. Here. You know what? We getting all of it out right now.
Oh, okay.
Sticking to the table like crazy. There, okay. Let's break it in two so you can need your own and I need my own, okay? That sound good?
Yeah. I don't want it.
Okay, it's too sticky. Let's add a drop more borax.
That's
I
what
know,
you
it's
mean.
low.
Yeah, that's what you
I
mean.
know, hold on.
I change my hair.
There.
Yeah, that's way much better. Mine have bubbles,
Mine did too.
but they don't make it. Look at what they got here. And not sticky.
It's finally starting to come together. It's not as sticky.
I got
Hey.
Hawaii.
Whoa. jiggly. Oh yeah, look, that's jiggly. It's like vibrating.
Guess how dirty.
That is so stretchy.
Guess how dirty this one.
It's too stretchy for you to make a bubble. It's jiggly. You can't really hear the sounds, but it makes pretty good sounds. This is completely different than Oobleck. This is how much slime it made from one container. I can't even pick it up with how much it is. Whoa. Now let's see how it glows in the dark. So this is the slime in the dark. And whenever you set it down, in the middle it's yellow and the rims are green. Whenever you pick it up, the top is green, the bottom is yellow. Yeah, like wherever something is, it turns like green all around
My
me.
hand on me.
Her hand is glowing. So is mine. See? Whoa. Yeah, but this is a pretty glow in the dark glue.
Yeah. You're hurting.
Yeah.
My hair glowing.
The slime is glowing. So is my hand.
Why am I glowing at my hair?
Whoa.
I can't hear you guys.
Yeah, it's pretty dark. Whoa. It's like, whenever you pick it up, it's clear, but whenever it's down, it turns like yellow and green. Whoa, as soon as you poke it, it like goes away. Well, every time you put your hand in, around it turns green, and whenever you pick it up, it like sticks to you. Ew, what is that? Yeah. This is so cool.
I put it in.
The slime falls so fast. It's so stretchy. Right,
I
Ainsley?
kind of want it.
Wait, this is my foot. How did that happen? Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Wait, that's the part that don't
It looks like a banana. I'll show it, but let it sit for a minute. I wanna show them like what it means. Like in the middle, it's like yellow, and on the edge, it's like green. Like some bananas, it's like yellow and green. This reminds me of bananas.
Yes, yeah.
Just a taco. Okay. We quit putting slime on me. Slime fight. Better stop going crazy. Alright guys, that's how I make jiggly water slime. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.